In this video, I will introduce 5 best DSLR stabilizers and gimbals in 2018. If you like, make sure to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. Number 5. Ikan Beholder DS2A. Number 4. EVO Rage Gen2. Number 3. FeiyuTech A2000. Number 2. Zhiyun Crane 2.
Zhiyun Crane 2 is a groundbreaking camera stabilizer designed for film-grade shootings. Comes with a lot of revolutionary upgrades. Empowered by the advanced 6th generation Intune algorithm system. Crane 2 realizes 100% improvement in response speed and gets high above the industrial standard with its unparalleled anti-shaking stabilizing performance. Integrated with the pioneering MCU parallel control technology plus the closed-source instant attitude compensation system. Crane 2 can support an exclusive maximum payload of 3.2 kg. Realizing 50% improvement in motor torque, it is mountable by all models of DSLR and mirrorless camera on the market. Now, let's cut out of the bag. Let's do the unboxing of the Crane 2. First, the accessories. A durable EVA protection bag, also with an adjustable carrying stripe. The stabilizer is well protected by the shock-absorbing foam away from potential damages during the shipment or field shooting tasks. The 3 18650 2000 mAh batteries contained can secure 18 hours of runtime. The dedicated charger inside allows fast and simultaneous charging to the 3 batteries. Besides, it also comes with an aluminum alloy tripod, camera control cables for various camera brands, and of course, a user guide. The newly designed battery compartment makes the battery installation much easier. You can easily identify the negative and positive end. The control panel has also been upgraded, which for the first time in the industry, integrated an intuitive OLED display, helping you to easily monitor the status of both your camera and stabilizer in real time. The ergonomically designed control panel integrates a joystick, quick control dial, and follow focus controller, together with an intuitive OLED display, making your camera truly within easy hand control. Another groundbreaking feature is the follow focus design on the side of the handle. Crane 2 is the world's first 3-axis camera stabilizer integrated with follow focus control. Turning the follow focus controller would be like turning the Canon 5D lens itself, giving you seamless control over your camera. Get a crane too, and you will have a professional follow focus on its side as well. On the other side of the body, you can find a micro USB port for firmware upgrade. The DC 8.0 power outlet allows direct charging to your camera even when there is no battery. As the newest stabilizer designed for professional DSLR cameras, Zhiyun Crane 2 is born for film-grade video shootings. With groundbreaking technology and innovative design, Crane 2 gives you more possibilities of creation, like a real cameraman on your side. Like a real cameraman on your side.
Number 1. DJI Ronin-M. In this video, I have introduced 5 best DSLR stabilizers and gimbals in 2018. You can check all the 5 gimbals links below.